forums to discover the problems of your market. Being an affiliate marketer is tough when you don't even know the problem that you're trying to solve. Affiliate marketing is basically where you, the affiliate, will lead a person to their solution, whether that would be a solution to their acne, singing, or weight. But if you don't necessarily know the exact problem that your market is dealing with, then how would you know how to solve the problem? Let's face it, the acne industry is easy to follow along with. But if you don't get low enough into the market to discover their main problems, then nobody's going to buy that acne product from you. So let's take the singing niche into account. Singers usually know how to sing right off the bat. But if you know how to target their innermost deep desires, then you can talk to them in a way that would cause them to buy your affiliate product. In order to get down to what they're longing for most, try visiting local forums on singing to get into the minds of those singers. On singing forums, most singers would express the problems they're dealing with the most, like breathing, hitting the whistle notes, or singing in their head voice. These are all micro niches that will help you find out exactly what most people in your niche are really having trouble with. Of course, some singers may not have such great voices, but it's those small little niches in the singing niche that can cause them to buy the product you're trying to sell. Maybe you aren't even selling a singing product. Whatever it is that you are selling, before you actually create websites related to the topic, don't go talking about general ideas and only going for those ordinary keywords. If you want to make good affiliate sales, you'll need to hit those little trigger points where most people are really in need of help. And the only way to do that is to discover those mini niches through forums.